This is class 10 introduction to trigonometry, exercise 8.1, question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, you have to evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And the second part says you have to evaluate the value of cot square theta. So what will you do? First, you have been given the value of cot theta, which is 7 upon 8. So you just draw a triangle, which is a right angle triangle, A, B and C, and mention any of the angles which are acute angles other than B, because it is 90 degree. Just mention it as theta. So I am just mentioning the angle at vertex C as angle theta, right? So here you can see that we have formed an angle, right? Now what is the formula of cot theta? It is always base upon perpendicular, right? And what is the base over here and perpendicular? Which side is the base and which side is the perpendicular one? So the side which is opposite to this angle theta, which is AB, is the perpendicular, and the side which is adjacent to this angle is the base, which is BC, and the remaining side is the hypotenuse because it is lying just opposite to the 90 degree angle. So it is the longest side, hence it is called as hypotenuse. Now I can write it like it is base is BC, and what is the perpendicular? The opposite side, it is AB. So can I write like this? BC upon AB is equal to 7 upon 8. Yes, I can do that. So since BC and AB are given in the form of ratio, so can I assume that BC is equal to 7K and AB is equal to 8K? Can I find out AC? Here AB is 8K and BC is 7K. So can I find out AC? Yes, we can find out with the help of Pythagoras theorem, which we can apply in any right angle triangle. So I can write in triangle ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degree, you have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the rest of the two sides, right? So what is AC here? That we need to find out. For this we have AB, which is 8K whole square, BC, which is 7K whole square. So it will be 64K square plus 49K square. So it will be 113K square. So AC square becomes 113K square. So if you take the square root on both the sides, then it will be 113 square root over it and K, right? And you are going to take only the positive sign because the length of the side is always positive, right? Now we will find out the value of sine theta and cos theta, right? Because it is mentioned in the question. So what is the value of sine theta? It is always perpendicular. I am denoting it by P, by hypotenuse, which is I am denoting by H. So you already know which side is the perpendicular side, the side opposite to the angle theta, which is AB, and AB is how much? It is 8K, right? And hypotenuse is how much? It is AC, and it is equal to square root of 113 times K. So K and K are going to get cancelled out. You are going to get 811 square root of divided by square root of 113. Now what is cos theta? It is base upon hypotenuse, and I am denoting base as capital B and hypotenuse as capital H. So how you are going to find out base upon hypotenuse? It is already mentioned in the question. We do not have to make any effort. Here it is. What is it? With respect to this angle theta, the base is the adjacent side to the angle, so it is BC, and its value is 7 times k. And what about hypotenuse? It is AC, and AC is already mentioned here. It is 113 times k. These two will get cancelled out and you'll get 7 upon square root of 113. You need not to bother about this positive integer, which is k, because ultimately it will get cancelled out, and whatever you are going to get, you are going to get in the form of a ratio, right? And k will not be present. So here I have got 8 upon square root of 113 and cos theta as 7 upon square root of 113. So now the first part is you have to find out 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, right? You have to find out, you have to evaluate its value. So just put it over here. You'll get 1 upon this one and 1 minus, right? And here you just write it like this, 1 3 and 1 minus 7 upon 113. I'm just putting the value of sin theta, okay, what I have evaluated so far. So after this, just this this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So can you write it like this, a square minus b square, right? This is a square, let it be a, let it be b, so it will be, what I'm trying to tell is, this is a plus b and a minus b. This is an identity, right? So what can you do? You can write it like this, a square minus b square. I have assumed a as 1 and b as 8 upon 113 and square root over it, right? So can I just write here like this, 1 square minus 8 upon square root of 113 whole square, right? So can I write like this, 1 minus, it is 64 by 113, right? And in the denominator also it is 1 plus 7 upon square root of 113, and here it is minus sign. So here it is, there are, both the terms are same, but they are having just a difference of plus and minus sign. So again it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So I can write it like 1 square minus 7 upon 113 whole square. So I can just write it like this, 49 upon 113. So now just take the LCM, you will get, and here 113 minus 49 upon 113. So these two will cancel out, and here what you are going to get, 13 minus 4 9, 10 minus 6 4, 13 minus 9 4, 10 minus 4 6. So you are going to get 49 upon 64, right? So the value of this expression is this much. Next we are going to talk about cot square theta. This is the second part. So it is very easy, because here we have already cot theta. So if you just take the square of cot theta, you are going to get the value of cot square theta, because cot square theta is nothing but the whole square of cot theta. So I can write, since cot theta is already given, how much it is, 7 by 8, right? It is already given in the question, which is 7 by 8. So just take the square of 7 by 8, you will get 49 by 64, right? Is it clear? So one interesting fact is that both are same. How come? So just you can see here, 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, and 1 plus cos theta, and 1 minus cos theta is what? It is actually, again you can see here, it is a plus b and a minus b. So you can write it like this, 1 minus sine square theta, right? A square minus b square. And here it is again a plus b and a minus b. You can write it like a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 square is 1 and cos square theta, you can write over here. Now you know the identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if you just shift cos square theta on the right hand side, you will get 1 minus cos square theta, and its value is how much? Sine square theta. Similarly, if you shift sine square theta on the right hand side, what will you get? Cos square theta will be here, and you are shifting this. Okay, so it will be 1 minus sine square theta. So can I just replace this? 1 minus cos square theta is how much? It is sine square theta. So here in the denominator I am replacing this with sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta is how much? It is cos square theta. So it is equal to cot square theta. So this is the reason why you are getting same values for both the expression, because both the expression are identical. I hope you have liked my video. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel.